Okay, question 25. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. So we have here AB and it's parallel to DC. We have the coordinates of A, B, and D, and the trapezium has only one line of symmetry. So that means it's an isosceles trapezium. We can draw it like this. Okay, here is A, B, C, and D. This is -4 and 6, 2 and 3, we don't know, and -1 and 8. The line of symmetry intersects CD at E. Work out the coordinates of the point E, so this is X and Y. As it's a coordinate question, so we have three rules that we can use: the rule of the gradient, distance, and midpoint. In this question, we have two variables, X and Y, so I need two equations. We can get the gradient of AB, and as the trapezium has only one line of symmetry, so we can get the gradient of, let's say, F here, which is a midpoint of AB, and the coordinates of F, and we can get the gradient of EF because it's perpendicular to AB, and we have the gradient of CD or DE because it's parallel to AB. So let's start with the gradient of AB, which is equal 6 minus 3 over -4 minus 2, which is equal -1 over 2. So we have the gradient of CD, which is the same gradient, -1 over 2. And we can get the gradient of EF, which is negative the reciprocal of this gradient, which is 2. Now I can write two equations, but first I need to get the coordinate of F. The coordinate of F as midpoint is the average of x's and the average of y, or x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So it's -4 plus 2 over 2 and 6 plus 3 over 2, which is equal -1 and 4.5. Okay, we can write it as fraction 9 over 2. Then let's write the first equation, which is the gradient of EF equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. For the gradient of EF, it's equal 2 over 1, which is equal y minus 9 over 2, or x minus -1. So as an equation, we can write 2x plus 2 equals y minus 9 over 2. I'm going to multiply by 2, so it's 4x plus 4 equals 2y minus 9. So we can write in the form 4x minus 2y equals -30. And this is our first equation. Second equation, we set the gradient of CD, which is the same gradient as DE. It's equal -1 over 2, which is y minus 8 over x minus -1. So as an equation, it's -x minus 1 equals 2y minus 16. Let's move the negative x on the other side. So x plus 2y equals 15. And this is our second equation. So we can solve the two equations simultaneously. For x minus 2y equal -13. x plus 2y equals 15. So here we are going to add as we have different sign. So 5x equals 2. So x equals 2 over 5 or 0.4. This is the coordinate of f of E. And to get y, we can substitute any of the two equations. We can say that x, which is 2 over 5 plus 2y equals 15. So 2y equals 15 minus 2 over 5. And then divide the answer by 2. It's 73 over 10. So y equals 73 over 10 or 7.3. So the coordinate of E, it will be 2, 2 over 5 and 73 over 10. Let's check the answer. Mod 5, 1, 4, negative 2, and negative 13. 1, 2, and 15. Yes, 2 over 5 and 73 over 10. 2 over 5 and 73 over